BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, Neiman Wyndham, Omanungu. Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, you sound great.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. Now please welcome the star of the show.
Oh, cut it out, will ya?
Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
I stood there in the back of the church of a broken people. Listen to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, this ain't my first time. But then a man started talking about the devil and the bottle was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. And it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. So what do you got for this empty spot inside of me? A deep dark hole where love used to be, before she ran out and into the arms of somebody new. Y'all sit in this room and you talk like you got some kind of remedy. Well, I hear what you're telling me, but I got all the proof I need. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. 'Cause it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. Well, I got all I need no proof inside, but I can't wash you off of my mind. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time, it ain't the all night, it ain't that easy. 'Cause it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. That's killing me. It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the whiskey. Oh, what? It ain't the whiskey. Thanks.
Oh, that was really good, honey.
Oh, thank you so much.
Who wrote that song?
I don't remember. I'm really learning to love country music. Do you know that I was always kind of closed-minded about it before?
Really?
Yeah. I grew up with a bunch of rednecks, and part of me didn't want to listen to, I was a rock and roller. Couldn't listen to country music. But then as I get older, it kind of starts to speak to me. I guess the thing I like about country music is it's about a lot of small town themes, like being an alcoholic. All right, so that was It Ain't the Whiskey. And in Ojibwe, our term for whiskey, we called it firewater. Ishkore wabu. It was it wasn't a great thing for us. Anyway, yeah, It Ain't the Whiskey. Hope you like it. And miigwech bisan dawiyag. Thank you for listening. Okay, well, you want to send us out then?
Okay. Hey, everybody. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hawa. How was that?
Oh, you did just